All right, so I'm trying to diagnose a problem with this 2007 Entourage Hyundai. Um, the alternator has been getting knocked out on this car regularly. It's we've been replacing them with AutoZone brand, Duralast brand, both new and rebuilt alternators. The new ones last for months. The rebuilt ones last for a week or less than a week. And so I bought an original Hyundai alternator, cost $400, mail order. It's installed now, but we're still seeing voltage drops. So I have this voltmeter built or plugged into one of the cigarette lighters, cigarette 12 volt access ports, whatever you want to call it. And right now at idle, with the air conditioner off and the lights off, it's saying 13.7, 13.8. I don't know if you can read it because cameras sometimes can't get LEDs. But right now it's reading 13.7, 13.8. It's bouncing between the two. So I've noticed that if you turn the air conditioner on high, okay, that's just the fan without the compressor. It's reading 13.6. It's bringing the voltage down 0.1 volts, but it's stable at 13.6. Now, if you turn the AC compressor on, now it drops to 13.5, 13.6. Okay, so it's 0.1 volts less. It's at 13.5 steady now. Now it's at 13.4, but basically you can see that affected the voltage. All right, now if I turn the headlights on, now it's dropping to 12.8, 12.7. Okay, it's not really charging anymore. Basically, when you have the AC on full blast and the headlights on, it drops the voltage to 12s. It shouldn't do that, I don't think. I mean, obviously the alternator is not powerful enough to supply the needs of the car. But without the headlights on, I'm going to turn the headlights off now. Now it's back up to 13.4. That's charging again, although it's a little on the low side. If I turn the AC off, the AC compressor off, now we're up to 13.6. The AC compressor's off, but the fan is still on high. All right, so let me turn the fan off. Now we're up to 13.7. All of this seems unusual to me. I mean, yes, there's more power draw, but the alternator should be able to compensate for that. At idle, we're idling at, looks like 700 RPMs. So now if I turn the lights on, the voltage dropped momentarily, but it's still at 13.7. The problem is as soon as you start turning the AC on, okay, so the fan motor is not affecting it. It's that AC compressor, bam, when I turn that on, now it's going to drop into the 12s. Well, I guess it didn't. There it goes. Now it's dropping. It's dropping hard. Okay, so it just took a little bit of time. So the alternator has quit charging again. We're at 12.7. I don't know if this is going to knock the Hyundai alternator out or not. I don't know if this is considered normal. The alternators are supposed to supply 130 amps. That's what they're rated for. I don't know if this is a actual problem or what the hell is going on. But 12.6, 12.7, that is not charging. Now if I rev the engine, up, there you go, it's charging again. We're up to 13.5. And that's with the AC on, the lights on, and the compressor on. Or the fan, the blower motor's on full blast, AC compressor's on, and the lights are on. So, and we're running at 1,000 RPM. At 1,000 RPM, it's at 12. It's at 13. Hold on a second. Let me go back to 1,000. Okay, so there's 1,000. We're at 13.5 volts at 1,000 RPM. Let me bump it up to 2,000 RPM. Okay, 13.5. But I take my foot off the gas. Everything's on. It's going to drop down to 12s again. It's dropping hard. It's dropping hard. There, we're in 12s again. All right, so what's the problem, guys? Anybody have any ideas? Please let me know what to fix. Thanks.